Introducing the EMAX E350 series. 10 horsepower, 2-stage, 4-cylinder pressure lubricated, single-phase, 80-gallon silent air compressor. Engineered and manufactured in the USA, our patented silent air system dissipates compressor intake noise by channeling the intake air through a series of base plates. This low-pressure LE system adds 4 levels of air filtration along with making the compressor quiet, reducing decibel ratings by as much as 50%. It delivers a robust 38 CFM at 100 PSI with a max PSI of 175. And it does all this while running on single-phase power. The EMAX E350 series has a powder-coated ASME CRN tank rated at 200 PSI. This industrial air compressor boasts a patented 2-stage low RPM pressure lubricated pump, designed for 70,000 hours of operational life. We use only the finest components, including 2 groove pulleys, 2 groove B-style belts, all brass ASME valves, and solid steel belt guards. We use Swedish-style disc valves for durability and reliability that can be serviced in minutes. The magnetic starter ensures a safe and protected start, providing overload protection from the moment you power up. Our low 1,750 RPM industrial-grade motor offers exceptional torque and runs efficiently. And the low RPM pump runs cooler, reduces friction, and minimizes heat buildup, all leading to a prolonged pump life. It features a standard pressure lube pump with a convenient spin-on oil filter and a manual ball valve tank drain for easy maintenance. These compressors are also ETL, CSA, ASME, and CRN certified. EMAX compressors are manufactured in the USA, and our warranty offers peace of mind, with terms including 1-year standard, 5-year extended, and lifetime extended pump coverage. The EMAX E350 series, redefining compressed air solutions with unmatched power, longevity, and quality.